So we've got us 2 dirty floor mats out of a customer's car. Let's go find Emily and have a little fun. What you doing?
Working. What do you want?
Working, okay. So look, there's nobody here. I got something for us.
Hopefully it's a pay raise.
I know how you women are.
Oh.
I got $20.
Okay, what do you want?
And I got a blindfold that says I can clean the floor mat in here better than you. I want to see if you still got it since you lay in here and do office work all the time.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I got you something better. I'll raise you a glass bottle of Sprite that I can beat you.
I might even tie one hand behind my back then.
Let's do it.
Well, go. Where's the Sprite?
It's in the back.
Oh, okay.
Get your blindfold since you can do it better than me.
Oh, no, I got the blindfold.
Come on.
So my daughter Emily has worked with me for 23 years now, since she was 3 years old. Recently, she's been running the show here at Visual Perfection and handling the front office and being the face of my business when the customers walk in. Well, today, the front office is gonna be closed. We're gonna be tidying up, so I've decided to get her out of the office, knock the rust off of her skills, and see if she's still got it. A little father-daughter challenge. Look, she's always looking for something to banter about, so I've got a feeling that this is gonna be a good time. To keep things fair, we're gonna do something that we both have ample experience with, carpet cleaning. I've got 2 identical floor mats from a car that our cameraman has generously dirtied up for us. And we each have 3 minutes to clean our piece of carpet and get it in the best shape possible. Then we're gonna let the results speak for themselves. So this is not one of those, you say you got the Sprite, but you don't got the Sprite. You do got the Sprite, right?
You want to see it?
I wanna see the Sprite.
Okay.
Because that just makes it even better.
Okay.
Well, for me, not you, but that's okay. I usually wear this in my hair curlers whenever I go to bed. Oh, 2 Sprites. Girl, you ain't got a chance. You not got, oh, here, let me get my money.
Yeah, where'd you leave my money at?
Oh, it's not your money.
It's gonna be.
Nah.
Yeah, just sit it right down there. I don't want to hear you crying in a minute. I'm gonna drink both of the Sprites. That ain't one for the loser and one for the winner.
Okay. It's gonna be 2 for the winner.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Slowpoke. Where you gonna plug that in at?
Yeah,
Blindfolded?
Look, I'm so good, I don't even need power for the drill.
His head is this big. Have you seen the side of my building? Matches his ego.
Paper, rock, scissors, see who goes first?
Sure.
Ready?
Wait, we got to count.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
That's right. That's right.
I really wanted you to go first.
Oh,
that's why I threw the rock.
You lost.
I know, so you're going first.
You're going first.
Oh, you go first.
You lost.
Loser, you won. Winners first.
Losers first.
Winners
I want to
first.
see what you can do.
What is it? Winners first or loser first? No.
I think the winner gets to choose who goes.
Exactly. Go first.
That's not the way I played.
Go first. Oh, man, get down here. You want me to help you put that blindfold on?
Yeah, you might have to help me get back up. How's that? So
Not happening.
I got to lay my stuff out then.
No.
Which one you want me to get? Is there one that you want me to get? You doing that one?
Yeah, this is mine.
Okay.
Oh, go.
Oh, see, she cheated me out of 5 seconds right there. You see that?
No, I didn't.
Already freaking cheating.
I really want to see if you can do this better blindfolded or not. There it is, him grinding in some dirt to the carpet. Oh, you're not even on the rug.
Something's happened to the power. Something's wrong with the juice.
Might be the operator. Minute and 26 seconds. I'm just going to tell you right now, your floor mat looks like doo-doo. Are you proud of that floor mat? Are you proud of that floor mat?
You look at that. You look at that.
That is not clean, J-Mo.
Look at that.
Dirty.
That's better than most detailers can do on a good day. And that is legit.
Oh, my.
Thank you. Watch this. You're next.
Okay, gladly.
You are next.
Gladly.
Wow.
Gladly we'll go.
Wow.
You want my timer? Make sure it says 3 minutes. Like I said, learn behavior.
3 minutes.
Let me see that timer. Let me see that timer. Hey, and you took my spray. He's putting all my stuff over there. Now, you said you could do it better than me blindfolded, right? So that
is impressive. That is impressive.
Okay.
That is
You
impressive.
gonna give me a countdown?
Yeah, I'm gonna do like you did me.
I really do mean to.
3, 2, 1.
I figured you'd go after one.
Oh, go. Go. No.
Huh?
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, did you see what I said about cheating? You just blow dust out. Look, gosh, cheating. Cheating.
Already
You see her blowing
cleaned her,
dirt
and
all
I've
over
not
mine?
even cleaned it
Cheating.
yet.
Look, I
You
told you.
got the picture.
Just like when she was a kid. Let's blow a little dirt over it. I'm glad we got
How much
my
time do I
point.
got?
Still have
About
2
to be a
minutes.
mic drop when I
2
finish
minutes.
this.
Oh, I gotta go back and blow mine off.
No, you
You
don't.
blowed dirt all over mine. Freaking cheated. And here's the good thing. You was caught on camera cheating.
Okay.
So you automatically lose.
Bro, you're caught on camera saying your rug looks good. That's worse.
My rug looks great. Did look great.
Stop the timer. How much time I got left?
Minute 13 seconds.
Look at that, look at that.
You just blowed dirt all over it. How in the world could it not
takes
look
a
good?
Sprite and who takes a $20
Oh
bill?
no, we gotta listen. We can't even do the contest. We're gonna have to let people judge because we know she cheated. She blew dirt all over mine, not even complaining. You watched her blow dirt. You saw my finished product.
It looked like crap.
I think it should go to the
Look
people.
at this. Look
I
at
think
this.
it should be the people get to judge.
Okay, pick up your floor mat. Pick
No,
up.
I ain't picking up my floor mat.
Yeah, you just.
Side by side.
Yeah,
No.
side by side.
You know you
Jay,
cheated.
Are you trying to dust it off with it?
Let's see the back. Let's see the back. So
Yeah, J-Mo, did you clean the back of your mat?
No, I
Which is a
did till you
very-
blowed all my dirt off.
No, you did
Yes,
not.
you did. Mine was perfectly clean, and now you
So,
see
who's
you
the
blowed.
judge?
So look, I got a question. I need you to show over here. Look at the $20. Where was it, and where was it? See what I'm saying?
All I'm
Look
gonna
at the
say
outline
is
of the. Look at the
I
outline
was
of the
trying
dirt.
to clean my mat. Okay?
Outline of the dirt.
My mat is
She
still
blowed
cleaner.
all the dirt all over mine. You cheated.
Then
you
your
lost.
finished product. You were done. They got the
see,
picture.
See,
This
do you
is
remember the
mine.
story I told you at the beginning? She would cheat
Look,
to win.
Look, you hear
Look,
that?
she
You hear
cheated
that?
to win.
You hear that? That's my timer going
Look here,
off.
look here. But you know what?
What?
That is impressive.
Exactly.
I could do that blindfolded.
Look, Dad, this is impressive. Look what you taught me. Look how little time that took me.
That's great.
Because I've watched you.
And
You should be
You
proud.
actually flipped her mat over. You didn't flip yours.
I didn't flip it over. That was pretty impressive.
Alright.
That's pretty impressive.
See, you taught me well, Dad. You should be proud. that
I am proud.
whooped your
I
tail.
am proud. You didn't
Look
win.
at that.
You didn't win, but you did a good job.
Oh, I won.
No, you don't.
I
Mine was
won.
just as clean as yours till you blowed everything all
All I'm
over.
going to say is, would you open my Sprite?
just like to drop it. I would just like to freaking drop it.
Oh, I got my. Hey. That is mine. I won. So
I was
look
just
what
testing
I got.
it. I was testing it for
My
you.
cupbearer.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank
I didn't
you.
want you to get sick.
Oh, I don't want the
just
$20.
love you. I just
This
love,
is the winner right here.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I need it!
Look at him on it. He's an addict to these things. Keep your $20.
No worries. I go buy some more.
This is going everywhere. It is going.
I can see you've not
online.
changed. I can see you've not changed. You got a freaking cheap
Look
limb.
at this. I mean,
I know. Look at
Dad.
that. It's terrible. Terrible.
Exactly.
Listen, you're gonna go home and be like, had to cheat to beat my daddy again. But that's okay.
The people have the video. That's all I'm gonna say.
I want the people. I want the people to comment.
Yeah, I was so shocked you didn't blow it off first, because that's the first thing you've taught me.
That's
blow
true.
it off. Like use your
'Cause
tornado, get the dirt off, because then if you just drill brush, you're drill brushing the dirt into the carpet instead of cleaning it.
That's true.
So now we got to re-clean it.
It's true. And it'll
But
just
that
carry back into the
blindfold
car.
got to you, didn't it?
Oh, well, it makes it different, right? You're not thinking correctly. And my thing was, feel the edges. Make sure you don't leave any.
Yeah.
It wasn't the back. It was feel the edges. Make sure you blow everything off. And look, I couldn't see anything, so I had to make sure I could feel it and I get everything blowed off. So I was worried about the front, just in getting it all off the front. So
So
it
does that
really
mean
hinders your perception.
You know you lost.
I didn't say that. I'm just saying that I know that.
You messed up.
I know that I can do it just as good blindfolded. That's what I know. See, when you see the finished product, you can see that I did it. So.
Did it terribly. We didn't say you could complete it blindfolded. We said it had to be clean.
It was
That is
clean.
not
It was
clean.
clean till you blow the dirt on it. But you know we're not going on that.
Whatever. You ain't gonna let me take the W.
No, hey,
Oh,
here you take the W. There we'll see.
whatever. I can't win.